In this video, let us understand variables in Scala. In general, variables are nothing but which are used to store values. In Scala, there are two types of variables. One is mutable variables and another one is immutable variables. Mutable variables. Mutable variables are the variables which allow us to change a value even after initializing a variable. If we want to define a mutable variable, we define by using var keyword. Immutable variables. Immutable variables are the variables which do not allow us to change a value once a variable is initialized. If we want to define an immutable variable, we define by using val keyword. Immutable variables are like read-only variables. It is similar to Java final variables. Let's get into hands-on. First, let me declare a mutable variable. As I told you, if I want to declare a mutable variable, we will define it with var keyword. Var and the name of the variable and name it as name and colon the type of the variable is equal to and the value of the variable. So if you see here, I have declared a mutable variable. As we have already seen, mutable variables are the variable whose value can be changed even after initializing it. So if you see here, I have already declared a variable by name with the value as Naveen. Now if I want to change the value of name is equal to Naveen PN. Since I have declared a mutable variable, it will allow us to change the value. Now if you see here, we were able to change the value from Naveen to Naveen PN. Now let me declare an immutable variable. So if you want to declare an immutable variable, we will define it with val keyword. So let me declare a variable val and I will name the variable as name whose type is string and the value is Naveen. Now if you see this, I have declared a variable by name and I have declared it as an immutable variable. So as I told you that immutable variables are the variables whose value cannot be changed once a variable is initialized. So now I cannot re-initialize the variable name. So if you see here, name is equal to, if I try to initialize it with some other value, it will not allow us to initialize. So that is the difference between mutable variables and immutable variables.